The subwoofer has an 8-bit LED display where you can control things such as volume or setting the low pass frequency cutoff. It also comes with an IR remote, so you can control your subwoofer from sitting on your couch. One key benefit that this subwoofer has though is that it also comes with a smartphone app. So you can use the SVS app to control the subwoofer from anywhere in your home as it uses Bluetooth technology. So when you open the app, the first thing you see is volume control. You'll also see options for different presets, and then of course you can customize them however you would like. If you want to dive in deeper, there's also a full parametric EQ, so you can set up a couple of different EQ presets depending on whether you want to watch a movie or listen to music or to match the gain of your room that you're listening in. Other things that you can tweak within the app include phase, polarity, matching with your room. So really the customization options are pretty endless within the SVS app. So when talking about the sound of the SVS SB16-Ultra, the first thing we have to talk about is volume, because this thing gets really, really loud. There might be an 8.0 earthquake going on in your neighborhood. That type of volume is what you can expect to get out of this sub.
Yeah, let's go with 50 hertz. That's a bit more audible.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That. Whoa. Our neighbors can hear that, that's for sure.
Out of my eardrums.
The sub is able to achieve this level of volume output using the Ultra Sledge peak amplifier on the back of the unit. So this is able to reach 1500 watts of continuous output and over 5000 watts of peak output. So that is super, super loud for any consumer or professional grade subwoofer. On the front of the sub, you'll find the 16-inch driver, which is made from a fiberglass resin, which helps prevent any flexing within the driver as it's moving and pushing those large volumes of air. So the sub is able to accurately represent frequencies from 16 hertz up to 460 hertz. It is very neutral even across the entire frequency spectrum. I mean, there is a reason that we here at Sound Guys chose to use it for our listening room. By nature, larger drivers, such as the 16-inch driver found on the SVS SB16-Ultra, are harder to control. As you have a larger driver, you tend to run into problems with flexing, distortion. But SVS was able to counter this by including a large 8-inch voice coil into the system. So this is what SVS claims is one of the largest voice coils available on the market. And because it is closer in size to the 16-inch driver than something like a 2 or 3-inch standard voice coil, it helps to move that driver in a more accurate way. And this is what helps retain that extremely accurate frequent response all the way down to 16 hertz, below the even audible level of human hearing. Now the SB in the name stands for sealed box, as this is a sealed subwoofer. So with this sealed design, it is able to retain a more accurate frequent response all the way down to those very low frequencies.